The HGLRC SPECTER F722 Pro flight controller is engineered with advanced MPU 6000 gyroscope technology, ensuring exceptional flight stability and precise control for drone enthusiasts. With the STM32 F722 processor operating at an impressive frequency, this flight controller offers remarkable processing power for smooth and responsive drone operations. The inclusion of a 16 megabyte black box allows for extensive flight data recording, facilitating performance analysis and optimization of your drone setup. This flight controller supports dual camera signal outputs, enabling seamless transitions between cameras during flight through Betaflight settings. Its modular design supports a full module direct plug-in connection system, which simplifies installation by eliminating the need for soldering. The HGLRC SPECTER F722 Pro's compatibility with a wide range of input voltages makes it a versatile choice for various drone configurations.